All right, let's open this thing. The Sapphire Reserve business. Let's get down to business. It's business time for those who lead. WLC 16027. Sapphire Reserve business. Nothing else. Okay. Little card. My ambition got me here. Now let's go further together with a card designed to work for me. Welcome to the world of Chase Sapphire Reserve for business. Jerry Shum, General Manager of Business Stuff. Sapphire Reserve business. Sapphire Reserve for business. Welcome, business. Get started with your business. Your business is here. Okay, card in there. Bunch of little documents. Let's see, benefits, rewards, agreement. Don't want to dox myself. And we got other stuff in here. My business, my benefits. Let's journey together. Recharge while I work. Support my needs. Keep business running smooth. They very much are concerned about business. Don't forget, I'm recyclable. All right, well, I'm just gonna throw all this stuff in the garbage. My city doesn't recycle. Cool, all right. Benefit guide. Wow. Auto rental, baggage delay, cell phone, evacuation, emergency medical and dental, extended warranty, lost luggage, purchase protection, return protection, trip cancellation, additional terms. Interesting. Purchase protection, I'm wondering about that. 23. Let's see. 120 days. The date of purchase. Repair, replace, $10,000 per item. Cool. So buy cell phones. Rewards program. All right, well, got a bunch of stuff here. Pretty cool.